morning, students. So today we will discuss part 2 of our natural vegetation, in which we will learn about the different type of forest. First of all, we will discuss about the tropical evergreen forest. I would like to tell you what is tropical. This is Tropic of Cancer and this is Tropic of Capricorn. So forest which is found between these tropics, this is called tropical. I hope you understand. So by looking this diagram, I think you understand that this area receives heavy rainfall as well as bright sunshine. But it is not true. Of course, the entire region receives bright sunshine throughout the year, but all the area do not receive heavy rainfall. But the area which receives heavy rainfall is called tropical evergreen forest. This is also evergreen is also called Varsaban, that is rain forest, because the area receives heavy rainfall. And why it is called evergreen? हिंदी में कहते हैं इसे सदाबहार, जो हमेशा हरा रहे, कभी उसके पत्ते खत्म नहीं हो। तुमने कुछ पेड़ों पर देखा होगा हमारे एरिया में खासकर कि ऑटम सीजन में पेड़ अपने पत्तों को छोड़ देते हैं, पतझड़ का महीना जिसको हम कहते हैं, या पतझड़ का मौसम जिसको। लेकिन ये जंगल क्या होता है, क्योंकि इतनी इनकी वर्षा इतना ज़्यादा होता है कि कभी भी वर्षा पानी की एबिलिटी हमेशा रहती है, जिसके कारण ये हमेशा हरे रहते हैं। ऐसा नहीं है कि इनके पत्ते सूखते नहीं हैं, बट वन बाय वन simultaneously it will fall down, and you will find that the plants remain green throughout the year. They do not shed all their leaves in a particular season. They shed their leaves, but simultaneously one by one, so that it look green throughout the year. And since it is found in the tropical region, so it is called tropical evergreen forest or tropical rain forest. This evergreen is also called rain forest already I have written. The main character of this forest is that they are very thick. Okay, forests are very thick, and since they are tropical, they are found near the equator and close to the tropics. These regions are hot and receive heavy rainfall throughout the year. As there is no particular dry season, the trees do not shed their leaves altogether. This is the reason they are called evergreen. The thick canopies, canopies मैंने कहा पेड़ का ऊपर वाला हिस्सा, ये इसको हम कैनोपी कहते हैं। So canopies of the closely spaced tree do not allow the sunlight to penetrate inside the forest even in the daytime. मतलब ये इतना घना होता है कि पेड़ जो होते हैं वो एक से एक सटे हुए इतना सटा हुआ सब होगा कि एक दूसरे की डालियां एक दूसरे में घुस जाती हैं। तो इस घने पेड़ में यहाँ तक कि अफ्रीका में अगर आप देखेंगे, अफ्रीका का जंगल इतना घना होता है कि दिन के समय सूर्य की रोशनी डू नॉट पेनिट्रेट, मतलब छेद करके नीचे जमीन पर नहीं जा पाता। इसका नतीजा ये होता है कि जो सॉइल होता है वहाँ पर हमेशा पानी जमा होता है, अक्सर पानी जमा होता है वहाँ पर, खासकर रेनी सीजन में। जैसे हमारे यहाँ एवोपरेट होकर के हवा में पानी उड़ जाता है, बरसात में भी यहाँ पर पानी को जाने का जगह नहीं मिलता है, तो दलदली टाइप ऑफ मर्सी लैंड जिसको कहते हैं वो दैट इज फॉर्म। एंड द ट्रीज आर, the wood of the trees are very hard, so hardwood tree like rosewood, ebony, mahogany are common here. ठीक है। Now tropical deciduous forest. It means the difference, tropical means same between the tropic near the equator and tropics, or between the tropics forest is already there. Deciduous means the area which do not receive heavy rainfall. Compared to evergreen forest, these forests receives less rainfall, but rainfall is received. Remember, ऐसा नहीं है कि बिल्कुल वर्षा नहीं होती, वर्षा होती है, अच्छी वर्षा होती है, लेकिन रेनफॉल उतना ही होता है जितनी इसको जरूरत है। वर्षा वन के तरह, एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट के तरह हेवी रेनफॉल नहीं होता। सो नेचुरली जितना ब्रॉड और कैनोपी एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट का होता था, डेसिडियस फॉरेस्ट में जो पेड़, जो जंगल होंगे, जो फॉरेस्ट होंगे, कंपेयर टू एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट दे आर स्लाइटली लेस टॉलर एंड so tropical deciduous forests are monsoon forests. So it is found only a particular monsoons in the large part of India, North Australia, in the Central America. These regions experience seasonal changes also. Trees shed their leaves in the dry season to conserve water. ठीक है, अंतर यहाँ एवरग्रीन में they do not shed all their leaves in a particular season, but during the dry seasons, that is in the autumn, they used to shed all their leaves so that they should survive throughout the year, even there is a scarcity of water then also. The hardwood trees found in these forests are sal, teak, neem and sisal. Hardwood trees are extremely useful for making furniture, transport and constructional material. Tiger, lion, elephant, langurs and monkey are common animals in these regions. I hope you understand what kind of animals are found and what kind of plants are found in deciduous forest. Now temperate evergreen forest. I think temperate means you all understand. This is the temperate region, north temperate and south temperate. So subtropical region also you can say. Naturally, they receive less temperature compared to tropical region, but this region also receives heavy rainfall. Like in India, if you go to Meghalaya or northeast, you will find heavy rainfall. So in Kerala is in the tropical region. In the northeast, you will find this type of forest in our country. Otherwise, in other country also it is available. The temperate evergreen forests are located in the mid-latitude coastal regions. They are commonly found along the eastern margin of the continents, that is in the southeast USA, South China and Southeast Brazil. They comprise both hard and soft wood trees like oak, pine, eucalyptus, etc. So only the temperature is less. So what is the difference between the tropical and subtropical? This is also called temperate or subtropical. So what is the main difference? Evergreen forests are found in the tropical region also. Evergreen are found in the subtropical or temperate region also. But main difference is the tallness of the plant is less compared to the evergreen forest of the tropical region. Tallness is high, broadness is high compared to the tropical. Subtropical, that is temperate, is having less broadness and less height also. So different variety of different types of animals are also found. Now temperate deciduous forest, as we go towards higher latitude समझ रहे हो ना, जैसे ये 0 डिग्री है, जैसे जैसे हम ऊपर की ओर बढ़ते हैं, यहाँ 90 डिग्री पर आते हैं, तो जैसे जैसे हम हायर लैटिट्यूड पर जाते हैं, देयर आर मोर टेम्परेट deciduous forest. These are found in the northeastern part of USA, China, New Zealand, Chile, and also found in the coastal region of western Europe. They shed their leaves in the dry season. जैसे evergreen forest वहाँ पर जैसे tropical region में deciduous forest का जो character था, they shed all their leaves in a particular season. So in the temperate deciduous also shed their leaves in a particular season. The common trees are oak, ash, beech, etc. Deer, foxes, wolves are the animals commonly found. Birds like pigeon, monarchs are also found. Monarchs मैना को कहते हैं. Okay, I think for today this much only. Tomorrow we will discuss about the other kind of vegetations.